Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to remove a forgotten PIN, pattern, or password on your Samsung Galaxy A05. Now for this process, we're going to have to hard reset the phone, which will wipe away all the user data on the phone, including that forgotten password, PIN, or pattern. The only thing that will still remain on the phone is the Google account that's already on the phone. So you'll still need to log into that Google account to set the phone up afresh. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Now we're going to have to go into recovery mode to be able to hard reset the phone. Obviously, because we can't get into the phone to do a normal factory reset, we're going to have to hard reset. So to go into recovery mode, let's force a shutdown using power and volume down. And as soon as the phone shuts off, switch to volume up while still holding the power button. And as soon as you see the Samsung logo appear, let go of the power button and continue holding volume up, and the phone will reboot in recovery mode. Okay, so currently the phone is still on, so let's do this. Okay, so side button and volume down, press and hold, just keep holding. Phone goes off, switch to volume up. You'll see the Samsung logo. Let go of the power button. Continue holding the volume up button. The phone should boot into recovery mode like that. Okay. Now in recovery mode, scroll down to wipe data / factory reset. And we are scrolling using the volume rockers. And then with wipe data / factory reset highlighted, use the power button to select that. It's going to ask you wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. So again, scroll down to factory data reset and use the power button to select that. And that's going, as you can see, it's currently formatting the phone to factory settings. At the bottom, you'll see data wipe complete. So now it's time to reboot system now. So make sure that is highlighted and then press the power button to reboot the phone. Now all the data has been wiped and it's going to boot back up to the initial setup screen. So as you're setting up your phone, at some point you'll be required to enter the password of the Google account that's on the phone. That's the only thing that will not be removed during a hard reset. So once the factory reset is complete, let's now go ahead and set up this phone. So I'll just quickly breeze through the setup process until you get to the point where it's going to ask for our password. So I'll skip that. And you can see it says an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default settings. Connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile network to verify your identity. Okay, so press OK. Connect to a Wi-Fi network, or if you have a SIM card with mobile data in it, you can go ahead and insert it as long as you have internet connection. So I'll just connect to my Wi-Fi. And once I'm connected, I'll just tap on next. And now it asks for my pattern. So it will ask for your pattern, PIN, or password, depending on what you had. But since we forgot this, and that's the reason we did a hard reset, tap on use my Google account instead. Okay. So tap on that, and it's going to prompt you to sign in to the Google account that was originally on the phone. So go ahead and do that. So enter your Gmail address, and then enter your password, and tap on next to sign in. So once you successfully sign in, you'll be asked whether you want to use a new account or add previous account. Now, previous account is the account we just signed in with. Now you can continue with that account or use a new one. So I'll just choose add previous account so I can continue with the Google account I just signed in with. And from now, you can just continue with the setup process, and you can set your phone up all the way to the end, and you'll not require a password, pin, or pattern. Actually, you'll be able to add one as you go along. Okay. Now, if you had a backup, then you can always restore from a backup. I had one, so I'll just go ahead and restore from my previous backup. The problem with that is you might need your old screen lock. So I'll just go back to don't restore and set it up like a brand new phone. Okay. And then you can set up a new pin, password, or pattern, or face unlock if you want to, or you can skip and do that later. And then you have all this stuff you can skip or set up. And now it says getting my phone ready. I'll just finish with the setup process. And as you can see, we are all set up and back into our phone. And that's basically how to remove a forgotten password, pin, or pattern from your Samsung Galaxy A05. It's a slightly long process, but that's the only way to do it. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.